So you can see I use Sonix for a lot of things. I've got a folder for interpreting practice. I've uploaded, in this case, a WAV file, but I could also upload a video. And it transcribed it and is available right here. And I can click on any word here to listen back. So if I hit play at the beginning, it'll start playing from the beginning. You can see I can also change playback speed.
Mr. President, on behalf of the CDSPP, I'd like to point out that this.
So as you can see, it's not perfect. Sonix is going to make some mistakes, and you need to bear that in mind for feedback purposes. But what I really want to talk about here is how you can use the highlighter, pick a color, and highlight something that you or your partner might wish to review. Now, imagine that you're doing this regularly, and maybe you've got a color-coded system. So I'm going to use yellow for things related to pacing. I'm going to use red for things related to grammar and so on. You would have your own little system and take notes, and then you could easily go through. And you can also add notes for each chunk. So here I wrote long pause here. Let's take a listen.
Mr. President of our Parliament, why is this?
It was a pretty long
historic moment.
Pause right there. So you can just edit notes, add notes as you're going along, right? Black sounded quite weird. That was clearly what was said in the original, right? And perhaps the note would say, consider a dark moment in the history of. You can also share Sonix files, share a transcript, and allow other people to edit and view, or simply view only. So again, I'm not going to go into Sonix in great detail, but this is a nifty tool if you want to create a transcription very quickly and then identify what's going on. And you can even see that because I'm using language tool, which we're not talking about today, it says all of the is a bit redundant, and you could say all the instead. So this transcription paired up with other tools may allow you to identify overarching things you might not even have spotted. You can see it also found that grammatical mistake right there. So that's how you can work with a transcription.